starting it off, we've got this little blue Honda Z50A. Really good condition bike. These bikes have gone up in value a lot in the last few years. This is the genuine Japanese edition, which you'll see from this little handle over here. That flips up and screws the handlebars out, and you can completely take the handlebar off. Very collectible models, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, these were made for the Japanese market only. In recent years, Japan has stopped making 50cc bikes because of emissions laws, as far as I understand it. And as a result, I mean, these bikes have always been collectible, but even the Japanese are starting to hold on to them even more and more.
Final selling price on this bike, 380,000 yen. Need a hand in the garage? Grab your free motorcycle workshop manual from my50.com. No cost, no catch, just real manuals for real riders. Download yours today.
This is the round end emblem, a little bit different. Also the Japanese model, as you can see there. I don't think those are original bars. No, that's not original there. But to find these bikes in this condition is just unbelievable.
Final selling price on this bike, 233,000 yen.
Another round emblem one, silver tank, Japanese model.
Final selling price on this bike, 232,000 yen.
To me, this looks like it's been repainted. I've never seen them with just the plain tank like that. I could be wrong, so feel free to help me out in the comments below. But also all round in good condition, although it's either going to be a good paint job or possibly that's not the right tank. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But nevertheless, for a 50 odd year old bike, even older this bike would be, early 70s, 69, 70 sort of model. Really good condition.
Final selling price on this bike, 210,000 yen.
But what I do want to show you guys also while I'm here in this incredible lineup, I don't know if you're a monkey fan like me, you might have already noticed it. That is a 2011 Z50 limited edition. The paint job on that is the limited edition paint job.
Final selling price on this bike, 800,000 yen.
That is the 1977 30th anniversary SP, which is celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Honda Z50M.
Final selling price on this bike, 422,000 yen.
Let's go down here. There's the Honda Z50M. 2 of them in one auction. That's incredible. These bikes were, as I understand it, the first commercially produced Z50s. They are very collectible. Very collectible. We'll have a quick.
Final selling price on this bike, 557,000 yen.
Page 2 and the limited editions continue. That there is the limited edition 2000, or the Millennium model. It came out in 2000, and if we've just been looking at the Honda Z50As, you'll recognize the paint job. It replicates the same paint job as the Honda Z50A. And although they came out in all different colors in the Z50A, if I'm not mistaken, the Millennium only came out, they only produced, I think, about 5,000 of them, and it only came out in the red. If you know any different, let me know. Of course, collective knowledge is much better, but that's what I think it is.
Final selling price on this bike, 742,000 yen.
Moving along, next to it over here, that is a 1996 gold edition, also a limited edition bike. I think they only made 5,000 of those bikes too. And look at this. What makes this incredible? This bike has 1K on the clock, and that has 1K on the clock.
Final selling price on this bike, a whopping 1,099,000 yen.
This bike was made for the Tokyo region, came out in limited numbers and came with a chrome paintwork. So also another really cool bike.
Final selling price on this bike, 340,000 yen.
I hadn't seen a lineup like this for a very long time, so I thought I had to share it with you guys. We were discussing the Z50A, but whether it's a monkey bike or any bike, if you want to collect bikes or buy bikes from Japan, head on over to our website, my50.com, log in or register over here for your free account, where you'll be able to sign up and view and browse all the stock in Japan. And if you need assistance in buying these bikes, please feel free to get in contact. Hopefully we've added some value today. Feel free to like and subscribe if you like our content so that we can produce some more. And we look forward to helping you buy bikes from Japan.